Hi! For today's lesson, we're going to be reading a newspaper article over the true event from Trifles. So, in order to tell a true crime story, you must first have all the explicit details, which is really just the facts and evidence and the actual detail of what happened. Details can be the who, the what, the where, when, how. Sometimes we know the why, sometimes we don't. So below you will see a link to a New York Daily News article. You'll click on the link and read it, and then you'll have 3 questions to answer in your reader's response. And then you'll have a 4th question where you really dig down and just say the who, what, when, where, why. If you don't know the why, you can come up with an idea of what you think is the why for this. And that is all you'll be doing. So it should be a really easy lesson today. We're just applying the actual nonfiction text to the play because the play is a fictional piece based on a true event, and this is the event. So you're going to get to learn a little bit about that. I hope that you enjoy it, and thank you very much.